his party leader, that's Raila, Odinga and Uhuru Kenyatta, were in power, and the cost of unga was 230 shillings. Now, Madam Speaker, the price of unga has come down to 170 shillings. Why did they not demonstrate? Madam Speaker, and I can tell them, there is no one. He has said that some people want to rule like Moi or Kibaki. But we don't want to lose like Raila Odinga perpetually, Madam Speaker. We cannot. My point of order is that let the facts, understanding 105, Madam Speaker. But Madam Speaker, you don't need to shout. This is not a marketplace. Can you request us? You don't need to shout. You just need to listen. You don't need. This is not a shouting match, Madam Speaker. The minority side, they always work out. They can work out. We don't care. They can work out. Madam Speaker, my point of order is they can work out. Who are they? They can work out. Madam Speaker, understanding 105. Madam Speaker, understanding 105.
Are you listening?
The Senator of Homa Bay.
Order. I'm talking, Senator Cherargei. Senator Cherargei, when the chair is speaking, you must heed.
Correct.
Point of order.
Madam Speaker, you need also to be protected because they are shouting, you can't hear. Madam Speaker, understanding 105 on responsible statement of fact. The Senator of Homa Bay, my very good friend, Madam Speaker, has alleged that the cost of living is high now. Yet 8 months, 9 months, when his party leader and Uhuru Kenyatta were in power, the cost of living was even very high. Is it in order, Madam Speaker, when we had the price of unga was 230 shillings. Now the price of unga is 170 shillings, Madam Speaker.
In fact, resume your seat because that point was already spoken. Resume your seat. Senator Kajwang. Senator Eddie.